crafted for the modern electric drive. With its high silica compound and asymmetric tread, it delivers confident grip in both wet and dry conditions. Reduced rolling resistance, controlled heat, maximum grip, all built into one intelligent tire. Enjoy stable, responsive handling that makes every corner effortless. Reinforced construction supports the weight and torque of your EV without compromise. Performance-oriented handling, long-lasting EV-ready compound, and electric vehicle optimization. And inside, a peaceful drive thanks to our acoustic foam liner and noise-reducing tread blocks. Superior comfort, optimized grooves and sipes for reliable wet performance. Engineered for high-performance EV, city and regional driving. Smart engineering for those who choose to drive the future today. Smart control, silent performance. Maxus Victra Sport EV. Drive bold, drive smart.
All right. And as we move forward, my colleague later, Engineer Hans, will be talking about statistics about the EV in the Philippines. However, I'd like to talk about our next offer will be the Maxus Victra Sport EV. Victra stands for Victory in Traction. That's why Victra Sports EV. This is a new addition for our new addition in the lineup of AB Fluid for Maxus tires, and this is designed for the EV demand in the country. Now, before we go into the details of its technology, let me discuss to you some pain points about the electric vehicle owners. Number one is range anxiety. Just like the cell phone. Just like me, whenever I travel, I have an anxiety. Aabot ba yung baterya ng cellphone ko? Same goes whenever you are driving an EV. Now, just so you know, driving an EV with a conventional tire would actually make you lose more energy compared to driving with a tire that is specifically designed for EV. And you'll learn later about the technology. That's one of the pain points that we wanted to resolve. When we study the market, these are the things that people tell us. Another one would be a high decibel drive. What do I mean by this? Now, EVs are inherently quiet, and I know you guys know this, and you have tested it out. I'm very much sure. Because wala nang ICE or the internal combustion engine. Now, the tread pattern noise of your tire and also the acoustic resonance are more pronounced. What are these things? The tread pattern noise is the noise that tires produce as it rolls on the ground, especially on an uneven road. Whether you're riding or driving on macro or micro asphalt or concrete, this produces a certain hum, which actually irritates most Filipino drivers nowadays, believe it or not. Now, what is acoustic resonance? We call it the cavity noise. The air inside your tire vibrates as you roll, and then that vibration propagates from your tire to axle and all the way to cabin. So it becomes very irritating on longer drives. I've not experienced this yet because I've not driven an EV for that far. However, for those that are at least the gasoline, diba? Nararamdaman mo if you change the tire with a different tread pattern that are not designed to suppress tire noise. This is a problem for EV drivers. Now the last one will be surprised. It actually is good for us, tire distributor companies. Kasi magpapalit kayo kaagad. Now, but kidding aside, the reason that EVs are replacing faster, I mean they wear it faster compared to regular vehicles, is number one, the weight, because of the battery load. And number two, this is when we tested, I tried driving a Tesla, and the torque is very instantaneous. As you press on the, as my son called it, the go pedal, not the cylinder. I cannot say it's a gas pedal when I'm using the ice, no? So the go pedal, when you press on the go, step on the go pedal, instantly moves. no delay, instantly. And that instant movement, instant torque, accelerates the wearing of your tread, making you prematurely replace your tire from the expected mileage that people are telling you. Instead of 3 years, it is significant. According to studies, instead of the average of 3 years, which is basically 30,000 kilometers in the Philippines, it is now reduced to 20 to 25,000. So prematurely, nagpapalit ka na ng gulong. Now, Maxxis was able to resolve these pain points. And we studied it, and these are our solutions. Now, for range anxiety, we need to bring in tires, just like the Maxxis EV, to have an EV compound. What's an EV compound? It's simply saying energy-saving tire. So again, this is also composed of, this time, more silica dispersion on the tire. Okay? Also, it is very important to analyze how much area is in contact on ground. Okay? If not, this affects your energy consumption. Okay? And with this, okay, we were able to reduce rolling resistance by 20%. You would remember third year high school coefficient of friction. This is where we studied it, and we were able to reduce it by 20%. And also, by mileage, it's 25% more compared to a conventional tire that we tested, which is, in this case, the Victa Sport 5. Okay? Now, for the high decibel drive, we have options for our EV tires. We can incorporate the Maxxis Silent technology wherein we can install a damper inside your tire, which is our form of foam, noise absorbing foam. Okay, it can come pre-installed if you want it, or you can buy it separately. Okay. This significantly reduces cavity noise, or yung tinatawag kanina na acoustic resonance. Okay. And by adding a simple line, may sound simple, but again, this helps in dispersal of noise, outward noise in the shoulder area. Okay. We were able to reduce tire noise by 12%, and we were able to pass the standard of EU label at 68 decibel. Anything above 68 or 70, anything above 68 will not be passed or will not pass the EU label European market. So again, when we launched this tire in the European region, we were able to pass this one with flying colors, 68 dB. Okay. Now, for high instant torque demands, we need to tweak some of our tread patterns, wherein we need to incorporate some types, okay, to be able to relieve the stress on the tread bands. Okay, parang hindi magkaroon na, I would say, micro slipping, which leads to irregular wearing. Okay, and also, when we studied it, using asymmetrical versus asymmetrical, it's more effective to use the asymmetrical tread design on EV tires, on EV vehicles. And with this one, we were able to increase our handling performance by 8%. And again, EU labeling, we were able to pass A level. Okay. Now, this is a comparison between, with the help of ARCT, or Automotive Research Center Taiwan, we compare the VSEV versus a conventional tire, a very popular conventional tire. In this case, there are some aspects that we outperformed them, especially in rolling resistance, in tire noise, tread wear, ride comfort, and drive handling. However, we still equated our performance with them when it comes to wet handling and dry handling, and some wet braking. But this is the first two elements there, the rolling resistance, and the first three elements, rolling resistance, tire noise, and treadwear are very important for Filipino drivers. Okay, for those who are shifting. Kasi ngayon, di pa natin nararamdaman. But if you talk to a dealer, they would say, after they fitted a regular tire, bumabalik agad at nagpapalit because of those issues. These three issues: energy saving, tire noise, and early or prematurely removing the tire because of wet performance. Okay.